What's up, guys? This is Nick, and here's the greenhouse that I built. Here's the water that I collected when it rained yesterday. It's like halfway filled up. It just comes down from this and it filters through the top. So there's that. Here's the greenhouse. Here's a look inside. Been doing a lot of potting. Here are a bunch of the plants. It's peas and cilantro right now. Earth box I made. Works pretty well. I use this to spray the water on with the rainwater. Seems to work alright. So you can just go in my house from here. It has a light in here. You just turn it on. Here's the hanging garden. Everything here started from seed also. Doing pretty well. There's some germinating plants. They're about ready to pot. Here's some more. Just put them in. Another hanging garden. And here's some freestanding. Just in water bottles. Pots. Thanks for watching.